Jail here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change limits on the Cash App. So if you have limits in your Cash App, that's because you are not verified yet. So you have to be verified with your identity using your full name, date of birth, and your SSN to have higher limits. Cash App will only let you send up to $1,000 within the 30-day period if you're not verified. So if you're not able to verify, they might ask you other verification processes and additional information. But if you're unable to do that, you will have to use the Cash App families. So basically, that is, if you're a parent or guardian with a verified Cash App account, you can invite anyone from 13 to 17 years old to use the Cash App so that they will be able to use the P2P transaction, Cash App card, Cash App Pay, direct deposit, and boost Bitcoin and stock. So those are the things you can do. So to locate the limits in the app, just tap the profile icon in the top right corner, tap limits from the account, and then settings section. So you can also view limits in the app by scanning this QR code right here. So just pause the video if you want to. So there you go guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.